project managers need to explain the responsibility that everyone has to maintain the level of quality on a project. When it comes to explaining quality to testers and programmers, it is important for the project manager to explain that quality is a common responsibility. Many programmers expect that the testers do all the testing, and the testers expect that the programmers should deliver builds that have the majority of the defects resolved. So who's right? A project manager should be clear and draw the line of where unit testing ends and where functional testing begins. The project manager needs to explain to the programmers to unit test the software and to not leave all the testing work for the testers. The reason programmers need to unit test software is that they have a different outlook than the testers. The programmers put together the software according to how they imagine it could function or how they want it to function. On the other hand, testers test the software against the software requirements specification as outlined by the needs of the users. The approaches are different, and as a result, both professionals need to test the software. The quality assurance team should receive code that has already been unit tested successfully. The QA team doesn't have access to individual modules, functions, and classes. If there is an error there at the implementation level, it could remain hidden underneath the user interface. The QA team has access from the perspective of the user, and though they can test the software in complex ways by activating multiple units simultaneously and in different combinations, they can only do so from a user and not a programmer's perspective. The build delivered to them must have already been tested at the component level, such that higher level testing can then take place at the user level.